Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to put link in Facebook bio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, this is my YouTube channel and I want to add this YouTube channel link to my Facebook bio. So I'm going to copy this link from here, and now I'm going to my Facebook profile and clicking on edit bio, and I'm giving an enter, and now I'm simply pasting the copied URL here, save, and here we can see I have successfully added my YouTube channel link to my Facebook bio. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.